Hello, everyone. I am your teaching assistant Xiaoyang, and I'm going to show you how to use Selenium to crawl and scrape data from website today. So, in order to use Selenium, you have to install the Chrome driver first. Chrome driver is a tool used to control your Chrome browser. So in order to install Chrome driver, you just have to click the links I provided here, and it will jump to the homepage of Chrome driver, and click link, and in here, it will jump to the download page. But you have to download the Chrome driver, the version is the same with your Chrome browser. So in order to check your Chrome browser version, you have to click three dots here and click settings here and click about Chrome. So it will shows your current version of your Google Chrome. My version is 1.19. So I'm going to click the stable of version 1.19, and here's the download list of Chrome driver. For Windows user, you can choose the Chrome driver version aligned with your operation system, but pay attention for Mac users. If you are using M1, M2, or M3 chips, you have to download this Mac ARM64 version of Chrome driver. But if you are using the Intel chips, you have to download this x64 version. So my computer is M1 MacBook, so I'm going to download this ARM64 version. Just go to this URL, and it will jump the download page. Yeah, and after I download it will gives you a compressed package. You just have to extract the content. And so here is the Chrome driver. I'm going to drag it here. Yeah, that's it. So after you install the Chrome driver, just try to run the code. But you see, it will report a error message for Mac users only. The Chrome driver can't be opened because the Apple cannot check it for malicious software. That's only for Mac users because the Mac or the Apple system do not recognize this unauthorized application. So it's totally fine. It's very normal. I just clicked OK and I offered a solution as a comment. The way to address this problem is you have to open another new terminal and jump to the location where you installed the Chrome driver. So for me, you have to use the cd command that will jump to the specific direction of your folder. For me, I have to jump to my users folder. That's where I installed my Chrome driver. And after that, just need to copy and paste this command to enable the Apple system to use your Chrome driver. Just paste it here and enter return. Yeah, that's it. It's settled now. So now you can use the Chrome driver for Selenium. Just pay attention to locate your Chrome driver, because here, just find the Chrome driver in your folder and click get info. It will shows the location of your Chrome driver. Just use the cd command to locate it. Yeah, for now, I'm able to use that. Now let's try to run the code. You see, the Chrome driver is working. It's open another browser automatically, and you see here, Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. For now, for this stage, you don't have to do anything. Do not click your mouse, or you can move your mouse, but do not click it. Everything is automatically settled by our defined code. But it may slow. It may take some time to load the page, longer than usual. Yeah, I already signed in to my personal LinkedIn account. For the code here, I'm going to explain later. You have to input your own LinkedIn ID and password. But you have to use the email address that already been verified by LinkedIn, because if not, if you click the sign in button, it will require you to verify your email address. So what our code basically do is sign into your LinkedIn account and search for the business analytics as keyword, and it will shows the result of the keyword. It shows the people, like different people related to the business analytics, and the code will automatically crawl and script the basic information of the people, like their name, first line, their name, their basic, their briefly introduction, and their location. Yeah, you see that? For it will scrape 2 pages of the users. So what the browser did just now is to jump to another page, jump to the second page of the users. Yeah, I think it's done. You see, all the data is crawled and stored to the pandas data frame. So now I'm going to explain the code for every line. You see here, first you have to import the necessary package to use the Selenium and Chrome driver. And for this code block, it is the configuration of the Chrome driver. It will indicate where is your Chrome driver located and what URL are you going to visit. So here is the LinkedIn login page, and you have to enter your own username and password to log into the LinkedIn. Just pay attention to change the user ID and the password with yourself. And for this code block, it will automatically locate the sign in button and click it. It's what Selenium do is to imitate human behavior, just like you are browsing the page. And here it will indicate design the URL by yourself. That's the keyword you use to search the LinkedIn is business analytics. Of course, you can change it to anything you want and combine the head and the keyword as the full URL. And you give the URL to the driver, and it will return the page source of the web page and to the beautiful soup. For here, this line of code it indicates all of the user's information. And for each user's information, it will extract the name, the brief introduction, and the location of different users. Here is the different div class address. Like here, the first line is the user's name, and the second line is their brief introduction, like who they are, what roles they are. Like most of them have business analytics as keywords, and the third line is their locations. That's what we want. And after script lab, you store them to the different list. And for here, it will replace the backslash with blank. Backslash means to start a new line, but we do not want these irrelevant things, so we replace them with blank, and we print the content we extract. It looks pretty good. And for here, I used time.sleep 5. it means to slow down the load page of slow down the speed of the browser. It will sleep for 5 seconds. You can also change it to 3 seconds or 7 seconds, whatever you want. The benefit of this is to first give some time for the browser to load the page, and second is to reduce the frequency of your access to the target web page. Because if your access frequency is too high, the linking may block your IP address. So this line of code indicates the browser to scroll down to the bottom of the page, just like people are using the browser. Like, let me go back to the first page. You have to scroll down to the bottom so that you can see the next button, and you click next button, it will jump to the next page, right? So it's the same for the Selenium. You have to indicate it. You have to let it to scroll down to the bottom and sleep for 5 seconds, and give some time to load the page, and you can find the element. You can find the next page button. You can locate it with the XPath, with the tag name or whatever you want, and you have so that you can click the next page button, so it will jump to the next page. Yes, and here, after you jump to the next page, it basically will repeat the same with before, like to crawl their name, their brief introduction, and their location, and just append them to the bottom of the list. So this code block is the same with this one. And after you script all the information of the users, you have to store them with pandas data frame. So that here I import pandas and store the 3 lists we have to the pandas data frame. And you see the pandas data frame is very concise and organized. It's very beautiful. So after you store the data to the data frame, you can just export them to the CSV file, also with pandas. I'm going to show you here, LinkedIn users. This is the CSV files we have. So that's it. It's not that difficult, right? So thanks for watching this video, and good luck in your next homework.